Now I'm videoing you. Can you tell me a story?
I don't know.
Can you tell me about what you did today? What'd you do today? Did you clean the toilets?
No.
Did you pick up sticks in the yard?
No.
Did you videotape Maya?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you watching? A video?
Yeah.
What's Riley doing?
Eating cheese.
You like cheese? Yes? No? Well, why'd you take your socks off there, goofball? I see your toes! I see your toes! Does that make you happy?
No.
No. Are you happy?
No.
Are you happy? Good.